Alright students, welcome to your video for tonight or for this weekend. Take out your C notes or piece of paper if you forgot to take your C notes home and write down the date. That will be for Monday, I believe. That date might actually, for Monday, October 21st, 2013. And our learning target for Monday I will be able to use what I know about percents to solve real-world problems. I mean, that's the main reason we're studying math, is so that we can solve real-world problems. How are percents used in the real world? That's our essential question. We've been talking for about a week how percents are all over in the math that we do. They are also actually very prevalent. They're all over in real world math. Okay, pause the video, copy that learning target and essential question, and then get back to me. Alright, welcome back. Moving right in to our situation here. We are clipping coupons. You know, you guys have seen in the newspaper or in the mailbox on certain days, you get coupons for percents or dollar amounts off of items you can buy from the store. Newspapers often have the coupons for discounts on many different things. One coupon for shampoo is shown below, right here. So they have this shampoo, coupons for $1.50 off, regular price $5. What we want to do is we want to find out what is the percent discount this is. How can we find the percent of discount that we're saving? So if we have another coupon that maybe just tells us the percent off that we get, it might help us to compare what coupon's the better coupon to use or a better store to go shopping at. So let's think about how we can find the percent savings when I save $1.50 from $5. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the percent number bar here. Or you can do a percent number line if you want to just draw the line straight. We'll do the percent bar though. Yes, Miss Setzer, I know that makes you very happy. So we are using the percent number bar today. Let's go ahead and label it 100% right up here. Now, I'm not really going to label my 0% because 0% really isn't that useful right now. 0% is going to be 0, so that doesn't really help me. We already know that. What is my 100% dollar amount? Yes, that'd be my regular price. The price before any savings, $5. Now, all last week we talked about finding a certain percent. This time, we don't know what the percent is. We're trying to find it knowing the dollar amount that we saved, which is $1.50. So we need to see how we can find out what percent is $1.50 of $5. So what percent is $1.50 of $5? How could I go about doing that? Maybe let's just think about half maybe. We know that half of $5 is $2.50. Well, that helps us a little bit. What else can I keep doing? Maybe find the 50 cents. What percent? Oh, wait. Let me go back to this. 250 was 50%. Okay. 50 cents would be down about right here somewhere. How many 50 cents are there in 250? Well, if you think about it, 50, $1, $1.50, $2, $2.50. There should be 50 cents. In $2.50. You have 50 cents and you have the $1.50, $2. So if this is 50 cents, what would this be? How could we break 50 cents up into 5 equal pieces? Does 10% do it? 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%? Oh, that looks like it. So 20%. Our question mark now, we know 30%. And then 40%. Yeah, it works out, doesn't it? So our percent, what percent is $1.50 of $5? 30%. Come ready to continue talking about coupons and percent savings in class. Just give you an idea of what's coming up when we get to class, 75 cents off sale. All right, thank you and have a great weekend.